Hi everyone, welcome back. Thanks for joining in today. Today I'm going to be transplanting my click and grow plants that I've been growing in my click and grow. I have the black pansy, petunia, and the polka dot plant. So I'm taking them out and putting them into these pots so that I can continue growing from seed more petunia and pansies. So let's jump into it. The pots I'm transplanting them into do not have drainage holes, so I'm going to be drilling holes into these and just put them in for the time being, just to hold any water that would come off of the root. And you can see on this petunia, there are buds starting to form already, which is super exciting. I want to use this one as a mother plant and take cuttings from it and then continue to grow more petunias. So like I said, in these pots, there's no drainage hole. So I'm just going to make some drainage holes where those dots are. There we are. Now I'm going to add soil to them and then we'll plant those plants up. Now the soil that I am using is just a Miracle-Gro seed starting. I'm using it because the roots on these are still pretty young and they need to be able to get through the soil quite nice and easily. And then I'm going to make a nice little well for the root system to go into and then we'll backfill. Planting them up, you want to make sure that they are below the lip of the pot so that the water does not spill over when you are watering them. So that's about where I want it, right there. So it is underneath the lip. Here they are, all planted up in the white pots. I'm really happy with them. They look really good in these white pots and I can't wait for them to get bigger and to transplant them again. Hopefully the next transplant that I get will be for going outside onto the balcony. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment, and don't forget to share. That means a lot to me and that helps the channel grow. Keep those thumbs green, everyone. Bye.